Hey y'all. This is Voice Paul, the voice of NOAA Weather Radio, on behalf of CXP EAS 05 Media Network, and more. Do you want to consider giving CXP more subscriber milestones? Or are you busy doing some random brain-rot memes on your phone, or any other devices? Actually, don't do the toilet cringe. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos.
Alright, talking to Swanee.
Water spouts can quickly form and capsize boats. Damaged vessels increase suddenly higher waves. You're all on board are in a secure location. Winds and waves higher just in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly higher waves. For your listening area are wearing life jackets. Orders from Bonita Nautical should at 3:30. 7 advisory in effect through Monday afternoon.
Well, first alert of the day.
To the lower 70s this afternoon. Up to 30 miles an hour. Off coast beaches into mostly cloudy.
Oh, there it is, Marion. It's for Flagler, Marion, and Putnam.
For the following locations, occasionally to 6 feet.
Oh, let's go. SVR for Marion.
These are the 6 a.m. observations for the local area on Sunday, January 19th. At Winter Haven, it was cloudy. The temperature was 70 degrees, the dew point 70, and the relative humidity 83%. The wind was southwest and
Yeah.
east winds 59.
We just got another one from Marion.
Dew point 70, and the relative humidity 90%. The wind was south and a chance of shower. Fort Myers and Merrill Beach, NOAA. Since December 1st still stands.
Okay. I just got it. Just got another SVR for Marion. Yeah.
A chance of shower. Source, wind
Alright, another talking to Swanee.
Water spouts can quickly form and capsize boats. Damaged vessels increase suddenly higher EAS for January. The total precipitation for the season since December 1st, which was last set 0.12 inches. West wind.
Wow.
At 0 west.
Okay, we got a considerable SVR from Marion.
6 miles per hour. The record high is 8. The normal high temperature for today is 15 a.m. The normal low is 54. The record low is 32 degrees, and the record low is 30. For the following counties, Marion, Florida. The highest.
No way! That was my first considerable SVR from Jacksonville. Dude! That was from Marion. Like, holy crap, dude.
Noon. Test for the radio listening area. Tuesday night, showers likely. Lower 50s. Lows in the mid 40s.
And of course, we just got a mesoscale discussion.
And Wednesday night, mostly cloudy with scattered chance of showers. Detail. The inland water is in the upper 60s. Lows in the upper 40s. Gusts.
Oh, doubleheader! It's for Lake.
Synopsis. A cold front second region Saturday night. It's forecast to move in the morning, Tuesday and Wednesday, with continued cool and breezy expected through the end of the week. Your coastal waters forecast for the following marine locations. Lake waters county. Fog in the morning. High temperature. Showers with
Come on.
Ohio northwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Low was the record waters along with 7. North winds 1 point. Season since total precipitation on Sunday 0.12.
Okay, I think I only got the MLB SVR, which is for Lake. I didn't get the Marion, but I was going to get the considerable SVR for Marion, but I somehow did not get lucky there. But I only got lucky on my first Melbourne SVR on KPS. You're ruining my editing plan, Jacksonville. Oh, finally I'm getting it. Oh my god, that's another considerable SVR.
Southwest winds 10 to 15. Becoming west this afternoon. Chop. Gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Northeast tonight. Mostly cloudy. Less humid with lows in the upper 40s. Northwest wind
Why is my leg up? Why is my WL120's legs up?
Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding.
Bro, how many times is Marion gonna be under this? That's like the 5th time Marion's been under that. You know, I got it. I just got the SVR anyways from Marion. This is like my second considerable SVR from Marion. Like, dude. 5 in a row Marion is under this. Oh my god. This is bringing me back April 24, 2023 vibes. Oh, there you go. Angle with the typing.
Has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 9 a.m. 8:04 a.m.
NH319's first TBW marine warning on WWG 59.
Located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles southwest of Azella to 25 nautical miles west of Clearwater Beach to 48 nautical miles west of Indian Rocks Beach, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, water spouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Azella, Crystal River, Clearwater Beach, Bayport, Madeira Beach Reach, Tarpon Springs, Indian Rocks Beach, St. Pete Beach, Dunedin, Treasure Island Reef, Hernando Beach, Clearwater Pass, Port Richey, and Claude Key, Indian Shore Reef, St. Pete Beach Reef, Passagra Reef, Arapaca, and Johns Pass. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Whoa, TBW. Yeah, this is my MD319's first TBW SMW on WWG 59.
Holy crap.
Wow. Alright, Lake and Volusia. Let's see if I can get it.
4 feet. Need to find and bring 50%. And now the extended forecast. Seconds. Up to 30. In the morning. Monday night. Wave. Becoming lows in the upper 40s. 20 to 25 knots. Seas.
Oh, I got it. SVR for Lake and Volusia on KPS.
At 4. This low was director setting entries.
JAX.
At 7:05 a.m. High rate. 1.7 less normal. Insanity. Coastal lead. Rip currents can sweep even the best foot.
Well, there you go. There you go. Another JAX SVR. Let's go.
The service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10 a.m. At 8:55 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 44 nautical miles west of Lake Monkey to 11 nautical miles southwest of Indian Rocks Beach to near Clearwater Beach, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Short, radar. Wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations and tactics include Terracea Bay, G5 Reef, Manatee Nearshore Reef, Clearwater Beach, D2 Reef, Old Tampa Bay, Howard Franklin Bridge, Madeira Beach Reef, Cockroach Bay, Anna Maria Island, Treasure Island Reef, Pascagoula Channel, Indian Shore Reef, St. Pete Beach Reef, Southwest Channel, Port Manatee Reef, Tampa Bay, Manatee 1 Mile Reef, Hillsborough Bay, and Manatee 3 Mile South Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Let's go. I knew it.
Cloudy.
Well, that was worth it. That was worth the marine warnings there. Got KPS. Okay, we got a Melbourne SVR. Oh, it's for Orlando. Oh, WXA 70, I got it. I can get 2 stations. KPS and WXA 70. Because it's for Orange and Osceola. So I got 2 stations I caught. KPS 505 and WXA 70. I knew this was going to happen. Okay, we got an SVR for Brevard.
Much cooler with
Oh, this is getting windy outside than I thought. Well, I was just about to get back in until Melbourne decided to come out with a marine warning for Volusia Boulevard County line to Sebastian Inlet. Melbourne! Yeah, we might get an SVR soon for Hardy. I gotta put this on WWT59 because we're probably definitely gonna get an SVR for Hardy. 3 of us on one might get issued for Hardy. Well, that was unexpected. That was unexpected. I just got another one. This time for Brevard and Osceola. I don't know why it sent it out that late. I don't know why it sent it out that late for some reason, because there's something wrong with my PC or something like that. But I still got it. SVR for Brevard and Osceola. Wow, Melbourne, you just don't get enough SVRs, do you?
Monday afternoon.
Oh, it's water spout possible. Wait, Melbourne is in this? Oh, God. Wait, Tenerife 50 knots? Oh, shoot.
Kissimmee and 78 Orlando. It was all on board on rail package. Wind gusts.
It's almost aqua blue.
Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. Partly sunny. Much cooler.
Every time Melbourne does that. I just knew it. I knew it was going to be for Palm Bay and Melbourne.
Winds 15 to 20 knots. Showers likely.
I knew it was going to be for Palm Bay and Melbourne. I knew it was going to be an SVR for Palm Bay and Melbourne. I think I slightly heard an EOM on this one, but that was for Sebastian with the Jupiter Inland Marine Warning. I hope I was right. Yeah, as you can see, strong storms. It's gonna head over to our area. It's gonna be strong. Some of that could be strong to severe. Some of these storms could be strong to severe because the Storm Prediction Center has just expanded the marginal risk southward. Now I am in the marginal risk for that one. This is concerning for my area. Let's hope I get some alerts from TBW on this channel, on channel 4 and channel 1, and possibly channel 6 too. We'll see what happens. Alright, sorry about that.
Highs in the mid-60s.
Yeah, I almost kind of slipped and fell on this one while I was carrying it outside but I'm okay. Luckily I didn't fall, which is good. So luckily it's still okay, so we're good. We're still good. That was another marine warning for Sebastian with the Jupiter Inlet. Okay, Lake Okeechobee, here we go. I thought we were done.
Area. Location. Without 20. Afternoon.
Well, thank you very much, Miami, for the Lake Okeechobee SMW. So, thank you very much.